Here at Flex, we believe in our products so much that you'll often find us using them all around our own facility. For example, this is our FlexArm part manipulator. With its patented ergonomic design and pneumatic toggle control system, the FlexArm reduces operator effort and increases material control, while also making the operator's job and life infinitely easier. In machine shops across the country, operators are bending, straining, and hurting due to improper material handling tools and processes. Whether it's lathe chucks, large parts, spindles, holders, or other various items, a FlexArm puts the power back into the user's hands for confidence, comfort, and most importantly, safety. With the FlexArm part manipulator, you're not only investing in your process, you're investing in your people. For more info, check out our socials or visit us at flexmachinetools.com.